Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making chicken curry, which is little spicy, tangy and a blend of perfect flavors. Let's look at the ingredients. Chicken, 250 grams. Tomatoes paste, 3. Dry coconut paste. Red chili. Ginger garlic paste. Kasuri methi. In a pan add oil. Then add chicken, some curd, and salt to taste. Let it cook until chicken is soft. In a pan add oil and let it heat. Add sliced onions, roast them until golden. Add coconut paste and fry until oil separates. Add ginger garlic paste. Some turmeric. Add red chili powder. Add tomatoes paste. Mix all the ingredients well. Cook until oil is separated from the gravy. It's time to add chicken. Add 2 cups of water. Cover with a lid and simmer on low medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is tender. Or you will see a beautiful red layer of oil floating on top. Then add kasuri methi. Look at that color. That is the soul of the curry right there. Spices, heat, and heart, all in one bowl. Go make this today. Let me know in comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!